I'm an artist because I cannot be anything else. This is who I am. I'm just a guy expressing myself and hoping to make a world a better place. My name is Vadu Rodrigues. I'm from Cape Verde Islands, which is West Africa. It's a 10-island archipelago. For me, personally, Cape Verde is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been on Earth. But I come from an island, so I've never had been in the continent itself. I remember a conversation that I was having with some friend, and they were like, wow, you travel a lot. And then they asked me, like, what about Africa? And that thing stuck with me. I felt ashamed. I felt like, why not Africa? You know, the people that I met was incredible. It was a crazy, beautiful adventure. It was like, wow, we need to tell more story of this. Literally, I had a clear vision. I found my mission. This is my mission. And that's what's driving me until today. The notion that people have of the African continent is so negative. That's why I decided to create the project Positive Africa, to use photography and storytelling to challenge negative narratives. If I can inspire one person to travel to Africa and appreciate the African continent as it is, I've done my job. I'm a photographer, but I'm also an installation artist. When it comes to medium, it's a matter of understanding the historical relationship, especially when I'm talking about the cultural materials. I did this book where I was working with metal, I was working with fabrics, I was working with paper. Each of those mediums have a different relationship and work differently. And how can I work towards those challenges to make the media visually create stories that I believe empower? Newsflash, I've never lived in one space for more than 6 months. This was the first time that I actually in a space, sitting down and producing work from a space. One of the things that helps me a lot here is to find that community. How can I be of service in the African Studies Association? How can I connect the African people on campus? All the conversations, all the people that I meet, it helped me a lot improve how I think about my work. What I would hope for Positive Africa to do is to generate a movement where African artists share the beauties and what they're proud of with the world. If Positive Africa could make people from the outside not let fear interfere with how they interact with the continent. Go for yourself, see, understand, and share what's positive.